I'm Kristina Barricelli. I'm the Hairdo brand ambassador and so excited to have you with us. Actually, we're just so excited to be in Miami because we're in beautiful Miami having the photo shoot for our It Girl contest winners. And this is Megan. Hi. And some of you might already know her as @LivingLorraine_. She's one of our contest winners and a super, super cool girl. We've been having the best time hanging out here. We are going to show you how to complete a look. So we're taking you behind the scenes today, showing you how to get the Color Splash Pony look. You may already have a Color Splash Pony, you may already have a Wrap Around Pony, but what we have and we're introducing today are 3 brand new colors. So we've chosen the denim blue color for Megan. Lorraine's her middle name, by the way, so she didn't just make that up. Okay, so we have the denim blue. There's also red wine and dark purple available. And if you want to grab those, you can either get them on extensions.com, but what's even more exciting than that is if you comment right here, we're giving a lot of them away. So leave your comments, tell us what you think the whole way through. If you have your own ideas about how you do your hair, and using hairdo pieces, maybe it's the wraparound pony and maybe it's a different hairdo piece, please hashtag us at howtohairdo because we want to see how you complete your looks. And I'm going to show you how I complete one of mine. We've decided that we're going to go with sort of a simple, sort of side part, swept over, low pony, and that's how we're going to complete the look today. So the first thing you want to do is kind of take the hair and start combing it, not back, but on an angle sideways like this. And what starts to happen as you brush it a few times back, and then you give it, let's tilt down so everybody can see, and you give it like a little squeeze right there, a very natural opening will present itself to you, okay? And that's kind of where you want to go with that. And we lift up, and all you do is start combing the hair or brushing the hair, use whatever is most comfortable for you, in the direction over to where you want to place your pony, okay? Oh, the thing I love about these ponies are, aside from the fashion color that we've introduced, the Color Splash, there's 7 to 11 different shades in all the colors. So if you're thinking, oh, well, I'm not exactly Megan's color blonde, I'm a little bit of a different color blonde, each piece has 7 to 11 different shades in it. So it makes it really easy to blend in the hair. So don't let that bother you when you're making your selection. Okay, so we're wrapping this around. And then kind of what I like to do is pull a little bit of that hair out and just kind of give it a little yank just to create some of that swept motion and maybe bring it a little bit over the ear. So that's kind of the design, that's kind of the direction we're going with this. The rest of this is going to be the simplest thing you've ever done, okay? So we have this little 3-prong comb. I hope you can see that. And then we have this wraparound feature. And all we're going to do is take that 3-prong comb, and if you just lean in this way, we're going to stick that in between the hair and the ponytail. Then what you want to do is take the free end and bring that to the center, keeping it as tight as possible because you want to feel some security in that, okay? And then what you want to do is take that wraparound side and bring it to meet on the under part, giving it a nice little squeeze, and that's secure and on there. One of the things that I like to do, and you can either go ahead and create a smooth surface if that's your thing. I like to give it a little bit of a tease sometimes just to make the hair look like it's sort of a little bit more, undone, and then go ahead and wrap that around. It gives it a little bit more texture. The thing I love about these ponytails is they're so versatile. You can, take it from this point and braid it, or you can wear it high, you can wear it low, so you're really getting multiple looks out of just one piece. I'm taking this bobby pin and I'm securing it down into the hair. Another trick for, sometimes I've heard comments from you guys where you say, oh, I really like it to feel a little bit more secure. Well, you can go ahead and introduce more bobby pins. One of the things that I like to do is come in from the underside and cross-section to find that first bobby pin that you had and squeeze them together. That X motion is going to give you a little bit of extra support there, okay? You can take a tail comb and tuck in any pieces that are kind of still hanging out. There we go. All right. And then, other thing is when you get these out of the package, take your brush, you know, and kind of, because they'll come in this sort of like very curled environment, and you're really welcome to wear it just like that. That's one way to complete your look. But I like to kind of give it a little beat down. There's no better way to explain that, you know, and maybe give it just a little bit of a tease, just like that, just to get air and flow through the hair. And go back in. Maybe turn your body a little bit so everybody can see this happening. Okay. So what's really exciting is Megan now, who looks totally cool, calm, collected, is going to take her her photo shoot for her next look, and this is our next look. I hope you love it. Let us know what you're thinking. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Oh, not quite. So what we want to do, I'm just kidding, is the thing about flyaways, just the last thing I want to kind of say, is a lot of people really struggle with them because they take their comb and they really try to slick them down. Flyaways have a mind of their own, so really what you want to do is not fight with them. You want to just take your hairspray and shoot it right in the direction and very gently lay it with your fingers. That's going to kind of take care of any flyaway situations for you. Okay, let's go. Ready to do this?
Ready.
Amazing. If you're loving Megan's look, please comment here. Comment to win. We want to get these Color Splash ponies to you. We're having an amazing giveaway today. Thank you for joining us, and everybody have an amazing day.